Deepavali, your Eid, mine Makar Sankranti.
Okay, so the activity is you will make a conversation.
Okay. Me?
We will support. Okay. I want you everybody in the video so that when the channel get popularity, people must know your name. People should know your name in future.
Okay.
Okay, I will also support over there.
Start. Good morning, all of you.
Very good morning.
So, आज sorry sir. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
तो लेट्स स्टार्ट कन्वर्सेशन. ओके, चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
Let's start.
शुरू करते हैं.
Let's start.
चलिए.
Repeat in English. Let's start.
I forgot.
Yeah, repeat in English.
Yeah. चलिए कुछ नया शुरू करते हैं.
Let's start something new.
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 मैं स्कूल जाने वाला था.
I was going to go to school.
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 मैं मार्केट गया था.
I went to market.
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 मैं स्कूल जाया करता था.
I used to go to school.
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 मैं खेला करता था.
I used to play.
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 मैं प्रैक्टिस किया करता था.
I used to practice.
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 मेरे पास कार है.
I have a car.
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 मेरे पास घड़ी है.
I have a watch.
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 जिसान के पास कबूतर है.
Jisan has a pigeon.
जिसान हैज ए पिजन.
Jisan has a pigeon.
जिसान हैज ए पिजन.
Jisan has a pigeon.
मेरे पास पैसे थे.
I had money.
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 मैं ट्रैफिक से परेशान था.
I was sick of traffic.
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 मैं आवारा पशुओं से परेशान था.
I was sick of stray animals.
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 मैं बिजली से परेशान था.
I was sick of electricity.
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 तुम्हें इंग्लिश बोलनी चाहिए.
You should speak English.
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 तुम्हें रोज आना चाहिए.
You should come regular.
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 क्या तुम पागल हो?
Are you mad?
Are you mad?
Are you mad?
Are you mad? क्या तुम खाना बनाना जानते हो?
Do you know how to cook food?
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 क्या तुम्हें चाय बनानी आती है?
Do you know how to make tea?
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 क्या तुम्हें खाना बनाना आता है?
Do you know how to make food?
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 क्या तुम स्कूल गए थे?
Did you go to school?
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 मैंने कल खाना खाया था.
I took food yesterday.
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 मैंने कल एक हेलीकॉप्टर देखा था.
I saw helicopter yesterday.
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 तुम चुप क्यों बैठे हो?
Why are you sitting silent?
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 तुम्हें थोड़ा तेज बोलना चाहिए.
You should speak aloud.
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 तुम्हें okay. तुम क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing?
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 तुम्हारे पास क्या है?
What do you have?
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 तुम्हारे पास क्या क्या है?
What all do you have?
What all do you have? What all do you have? कम से कम तुम्हें आना चाहिए था.
At least you should have come.
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 कम से कम तुम्हें बोलना चाहिए था.
At least you should have spoken.
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 तुम्हें कार खरीदनी चाहिए.
You should purchase a car.
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 मैं तुम्हें कार दिलवाऊंगा.
I get you a car.
I get you a car. I will get you a car. I will get you a car.
I will get you.
I will get you a car.
I will get you a car. I will get you a car.
I will get a car.
तुम्हें बाल कटवाने चाहिए.
You should get haircut.
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 Thank you.
Thank you. Well done.
Not really good, but I tried.
Tomorrow.
Yes, day by day, day by day.
Sir, tomorrow I will try.
Not only try, you will have to do.
Okay, sir.
You will have to do it. So day by day, we will change the candidates, and you will make the conversation. Yeah, this will work. I want, as I have told you this thing, that when the people will know about the institute and about spoken, they must know your name as well.
And it's also help to remove hesitation.
It build your confidence. Okay, once again I want to start the conversation. Are you ready? I am ready. I am ready. I am ready. I am ready. आप कंजूस हो. You are miser. You are miser. You are miser. You are miser. आप एकदम चालू आदमी हो. You are extremely cunning man. कैसे बोलोगे? You are extremely cunning man. You are extremely cunning man. You are extremely cunning man. इसलिए that's why मैं आपसे बात नहीं करना चाहता. I don't want to talk to you. 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 मुझे एक बात बताओ. Tell me one thing. Let's update it. Let me know one thing. Let me know one thing. This is the advanced line. Tell me one thing की बजाय आप advance में let me know one thing बोलते हो. कैसे बोलोगे? Let me know one thing. Let me know one thing. Let me know one thing. आप कहाँ गए थे? Where did you go? Where did you go? Where did you go? Where did you go? आप शर्माते क्यों हो? Why do you shy? Why do you shy? Why do you shy? आप खेलते क्यों हो? Why do you play? Why do you play? बस ऐसे ही. Just like that. Just like that. अच्छा. Yes. अच्छा गुड भी होता है, लेकिन ये जो एक्सप्रेशन आता है अच्छा शादी हो रही है या अच्छा, तो इस वर्ड को OIC को ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, OIC, तो वो मजा नहीं आएगा. एक्सप्रेशन जैसा अच्छा बोलते हैं ना वर्ड, उसी तरीके से आपको एक्सप्रेशन इंक्लूड करने. OIC कैसे बोलोगे? OIC OIC OIC. अच्छा आप जा रहे हो. OIC you are going. कैसे बोलोगे? OIC you are going. OIC you are going. देख नहीं सकते क्या? Can't you see? Can you see? देख सकते हो क्या? देख नहीं सकते क्या? Can't you see? कैसे बोलोगे? Can't you see? Can't you see? बोल नहीं सकते क्या? Can't you speak? Can't you speak? Can't you speak? Can't you speak? मैंने कुछ देखा था. I saw something. I saw something. I saw something. कुछ था. There was something. There was something. There was something. क्या चल रहा है? What is going on? What is going on? What's going on? What's going on? Fog चल रहा है भाई.
Fog is going on.
Fog is going on. Fog is going on. Class चल रही है. Class is going on. Class is going on. Meeting चल रही है. Meeting is going on. Meeting is going on. एग्जाम चल रही है, एग्जाम इज गोइंग ऑन, एग्जाम इज गोइंग ऑन, एग्जाम इज गोइंग ऑन, कॉन्वर्सेशन चल रही है, कॉन्वर्सेशन इज गोइंग ऑन, प्रोग्राम चल रहा है, प्रोग्राम इज गोइंग ऑन, इसलिए दैट्स वाई therefore, इसलिए फॉर्मल वर्ड therefore आपको रुकना पड़ेगा. You will have to stop या stay. You will have to stay. You will have to stop. 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 ये हुई ना बात. That's the spirit बोलते हो. That's the spirit. ये हुई ना बात. कैसे बोलोगे? That's the spirit. That's the spirit. That's the spirit. अब लग रहे हो? Now it's looking. Now it's looking. Now it's looking. Now it's looking. अब आप स्मार्ट लग रहे हो? Now you are looking smart. कैसे बोलोगे? Now you are looking smart. Now you are looking smart. Now you are looking smart. बोलना आसान है. Speaking is easy. कैसे बोलोगे? Speaking is easy. Speaking is easy. लेकिन करना हार्ड है. But doing is hard. But doing is hard. But doing is hard. But doing is hard. क्या दिन थे वो? What were the days? What were the days? What were the days? गए वो दिन. Gone are the days. Gone are the days. Gone are the days. मैं मिस करता हूँ. I miss. मैं उन दिनों को मिस करता हूँ. I miss those days. कैसे बोलोगे? I miss those days. I miss those days. और सांबा कितने आदमी थे? कितने आदमी थे? How many men were there? कैसे बोलोगे? How many men were there? How many men were there? सरदार सिर्फ 2. सरदार there were only 2 men. कैसे बोलोगे? सरदार there were only 2 men. सरदार there were only 2 men. लेकिन फिर भी but even आपने फेस किया. आपने फेस किया. But you faced it. कैसे बोलोगे? But you faced it. But you faced it. आप नाकाम रहे. You were. आप नाकाम रहे. You lost it. You were unsuccessful. You were unsuccessful. कैसे बोलोगे? You were unsuccessful. You are unsuccessful. क्या देख रहे हो? What are you looking? What are you looking? ये आपकी करतूत है. करतूत है. या it is your करतूत. ये आपकी करतूत है. You did it. कैसे बोलोगे? You did it. You did it. You did it. ये मैंने किया था. I did it. कैसे बोलोगे? I did it. I did it. I did it. लास्ट क्लास कौन सी थी? What? आपके पास क्या है? What do you have? What do you have? What do you have? क्या सोच रहे हो आप? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? क्या प्लान कर रहे हो आप? What are you planning? What are you planning? What are you planning? क्या पढ़ाओगे आप? What will you teach? What will you teach? आज शानदार दिन है. Today is wonderful day नहीं बोला जाता है. It's wonderful day today. कैसे बोलोगे? It's wonderful day today. It's wonderful day today. चलो शुरू करते हैं. Let's start. नई क्लास शुरू करते हैं. Here is a line. Success comes to those who acts. जो एक्ट करते हैं सक्सेस उन्हीं के पास आती है. पता है सक्सेस का सक्सेस उन्हीं पे फिदा है जो हार्ड वर्क करते हैं. यस, हु वर्क्स हार्ड सक्सेस कम टू दोज Who acts? Who acts? Okay. Let's study. Let's learn, or let's know about a new class. Are you ready?
I'm ready,
Sir, we are ready.
Fantastic. No?
Sir, I bring two diesel.
Yes, I know you came with the cane,
Yeah.
and you will bring diesel from here for the tractor, right?
So diesel outside, drum outside.
Drum outside. No tension.
No. No, sir. No tension. Yeah.
Where is the drum?
You pay.
UP.
You pay getting so.
UP cutting soap?
That's it.
Yeah.
Nearby Jodhpuri.
Yeah. UP is nearby Jodhpur.
Jodhpuri, sweet.
Yeah. So UP, the barber shop is nearby the Jodhpur Sweets home. Okay, no problem. Manage for half hour.
No, sir.
Is urgent?
Today is Friday, so.
So you will cut?
No, I will.
You read
Jumma.
Okay, I understand that. Okay, no problem.
I have to go. And hey, tomorrow you have to.
Yeah, tomorrow bring 40 rupees. Tomorrow bring 40 rupees because again you will wear t-shirt. Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's study a new time word. Here is a new class. Why? The new WH word, the second WH word we will study today, and here is a why. जब हम कोई भी काम कर रहे होते हैं, most of the time people ask why, जनाब क्यों कर रहे हो? So to know the sense of this class is to know the reason behind any work. किसी भी काम के पीछे वजह जाननी है, कारण जानना है. To know the reason, to know the reason behind any work. In this case, you will use this WH word. And what is the formula? Tell me the formula. Why? Same to same. Why? Time word, worker, action. So here is a formula. Why? Time word, worker, action. With the help of this formula, we will ask about the questions about to know the reason. We will ask the questions to know the reason. Now, let's practice. Yes. Suppose you are angry. Now I asked you, tell me one thing, आप गुस्से में क्यों? कोई ना कोई वजह है. मुझे वजह तो जाननी है. वजह जानना है तो WH वर्ड कौन सा यूज होने वाला है? Why. कहा कि आप गुस्से में क्यों हो? कैसे पूछोगे? Why are you angry? कैसे पूछने वाले हो? कैसे बोलने वाले हो? कहा कि आप इतने गुस्से में क्यों हो? Why are you so angry? कैसे बोलने वाले हो? बोलते नहीं कि आप इतने सीरियस क्यों हो? Why are you so serious? कैसे बोलोगे? एक गाना भी आया था, Why are you so serious? ऐसे करके था. ये सब इतने सीरियस क्यों हो? कैसे बोलोगे? Why are you so serious? Why are you so serious? सपोज मुंह लटका कर बैठे हो, मैंने कहा आप इतने सैड क्यों हो? उदास क्यों हो? कैसे पूछोगे? Why are you so sad? कैसे बोलने वाले हो? And you know how to respond. You can say, you can respond that I am sad because I missed a chance, I could not go to foreign, like any of the reason there can be. Okay, so पूछा कि आप इतने सीरियस क्यों हो? Why are you so serious? Okay, पूछा कि आप इतने चालाक क्यों हो? आप इतने चालाक क्यों हो? कैसे पूछोगे? Why are you so clever? Why are you so clever? Suppose one day you were absent and the next day as you came, here is a word as जैसे ही. As you came, जैसे ही आप आए. As you came, जैसे ही आप आए. जैसे ही आपने कॉल अटेंड किया, as you received my call. जैसे ही मैंने कॉल रिसीव किया, as I received call. जैसे ही मैं पहुंचा, as I reached, otherwise arrived. जैसे ही, I said as you came, I asked, tell me one thing, आप absent क्यों थे? आप absent क्यों थे? कैसे पूछूंगा?
Why
पास्ट है, यू के अकॉर्डिंग वर लगेगा. व्हाई वर यू एब्सेंट? कैसे बोलोगे? कैसे बोलोगे? यू रिस्पॉन्डेड सर मेरे जरूरी काम था. कैसे बोलोगे? आई हैड सम अर्जेंट वर्क. कैसे बोलोगे? आई हैड, हैव सेकेंड फॉर्म, हैड पास्ट की बात कर रहे हो आप. आई हैड सम अर्जेंट वर्क. कैसे बोलने वाले हो? I had some urgent work, that's why I was absent. Here is the answer. Now, some other examples. You know very well, not only you, but also your family is aware about you, your society is aware about you that you are learning English. Most of the people ask, tell me one thing, आप इंग्लिश क्यों सीख रहे हो? वजह जाननी है, कुछ तो वजह होगी. आप इंग्लिश क्यों सीख रहे हो? कैसे पूछोगे? कंटिन्यू चल रहा है तो why are you लर्निंग इंग्लिश? कैसे बोलने वाले हो? रिपीट इट. Why are you learning English? Now you can respond a number of answers of it. You said, sir, English is an international language. If I go to any other country, so I can communicate with people, I can talk to people easily, that's why I am learning English. You said, sir, I am preparing for government job, that's why I am learning English. You said, sir, I will attend an interview, that's why I am learning English. English is so compulsory everywhere, that's why I am learning English. English is one of easiest languages, that's why I am learning English. So there can be any reason. Because of my family I am learning English, because of my career I am learning English, because of my exam I am learning English. So you can give a number of answers of these questions. All right, now some examples. Suppose here is a child and the child is speaking lie. You are सब झूठ क्यों बोल रहे हो? कैसे पूछोगे? Why are you speaking lie? कैसे बोलने वाले हो? आप लड़ाई क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you fighting? कैसे बोलोगे? Why are you fighting? Suppose you stood up and you are going. मैंने कहा क्यों जा रहे हो? कैसे बोलोगे? Why are you going? कैसे बोलोगे? कैसे बोलोगे? Yes, to ask the reason behind any work. Now let's talk some other examples. Suppose there was a person and you had a fighting. You had a fighting with him. Now the news reached to your home. The news reached to home. Do you know what is the full form of news? Yes, all directions. This is the full form of news. Okay, yeah. No, north, east, west, south. Okay. So the news reached to your home. The news reached to your home. Now your family has tell you one thing. किससे पंगा लिया था आपने, या पंगा क्यों लिया था आपने उससे पंगा क्यों लिया था? पूछ रहा हूं, कैसे पूछूंगा? वाई पास्ट है, डिड लग गया. वाई डिड यू मैस विद हिम? मैस का मतलब पंगा लेना. कहा कि आपने उससे पंगा क्यों लिया? कैसे पूछोगे? वाई डिड यू मैस विद हिम? कैसे बोलोगे? कहा आपने मुझसे पंगा क्यों लिया? वाई डिड यू मैस विद मी? कैसे बोलने वाले हो? कैसे बोलोगे? यस बोलते हैं ना, मुझसे पंगा मत लो, मुझसे पंगा मत लो. डोंट मैस विद मी. कैसे बोलते हो? कैसे बोलते हो? यस. सपोज आई एम आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस टू ओनली वन पर्टिकुलर स्टूडेंट, only one individual I am asking question. Now you said, sir, tell me one thing. आप मेरे पीछे क्यों पड़े हो? आप मेरे पीछे क्यों पड़े हो? तो कैसे पूछूंगा? Why are you after me? कैसे पूछने वाला हूँ? Why are you after me? कैसे बोलने वाले हो? Yes, repeat it. मैंने आपका क्या बिगाड़ा है? मैंने आपका क्या बिगाड़ा है? What I harmed you. What I harmed you बोल सकते हो और बेहतर रहेगा What did I harm you? कैसे बोलने वाले हो? What did I harm you? और ये भी बोल सकते हो What I harmed you. कैसे बोलोगे? कैसे बोलोगे? What I harmed you. मैंने आपका क्या बिगाड़ा है? आप मेरे पीछे क्यों पड़े हो? Why are you after me? कैसे बोलोगे? कहा कि आप मेरा पीछा क्यों कर रहे हो? आप मेरा पीछा क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you chasing me? Chase का मतलब होता है पीछा करना. Why are you chasing me? कैसे बोलने वाले हो? Yes, here is one more word, phrasal word, make after. मेक आफ्टर का भी हम यूज करते हैं पीछा करने के लिए. कहा कि आप मेरा पीछा क्यों कर रहे हो? वाई आर यू मेकिंग आफ्टर मी? कैसे बोलने वाले हो? कैसे बोलने वाले हो? यस, कहा कि आप मेरे भाई का पीछा क्यों कर रहे हो? वाई आर यू मेकिंग आफ्टर माई ब्रदर? कैसे बोलने वाले हो? Yes, so there can be any reason. I am making after, I am chasing your brother because I have some urgent work. He didn't return my money. All that, any reason there can be. Okay. Now, so to know the reason behind any work, in this case you use the class why. Now tell me, do you have any problem in this class? Do you have any problem in the previous classes? Okay, well done. If any kind of problem, so you should share with me. Tomorrow is Saturday.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Saturday means podium.
Yes, sir.
Saturday means podium. So you can choose the topics. If you want to talk about Mandava, you can speak about Mandava. If you want to speak about institute, you can speak about institute. If you want to speak about your school, you can speak about your school. If you want to speak about country, you can speak about country. If you want to talk about your village, you can speak about your village. So you can choose the topic, you can select the topic, and tomorrow you are going to perform here your topics, and I will record. I will record. So get ready for it. I am so excited for podium. I am so excited for Saturday. So for today it is enough. Hasta la vista. Most welcome.